Finally, it arrived, our product. We already purchased 5 gallons. We already have this awesome 1 quart sprayer. This is the product that is Bioesque. It's a botanical solution, 5 gallons. The beauty of this product is the brand is Bioesque, and it's formulated by Thyme Oil technology. What that means, it has a presence of thyme oil. Okay, I love the smells. What I like is that it doesn't contain any chlorine, it doesn't contain phosphates. It kills 99.9 bacteria germs, especially in this season, that is the season of the flu for the kids and school, things like that. So it kills 99.9 of bacteria, virus, fungi, or molds. Kills norovirus in just 4 minutes in hard surface. Eliminates 90.9% of the allergens. Is HIPAA registration right here. Is the HIPAA registration. Also, is a cleaner and disinfectant. Heavy duty cleaner and disinfectant. Why we are investing in this kind of product? Because it's safe for us. For our cleaning crew, it's safe for us, it's safe for you. You don't need to rinse, no rinse required, especially in the kitchen area and the counters, things like that. It's sanitized soft surface in 2 minutes. You can use that product also to sanitize the carpet. Beautiful smell. This is anyhousecleaning.com, 407-572-4118.